Snaps here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making paper squishy again. I know you guys are probably sick of it by now, but I promised I'm gonna be making more foam squishies in the future and like for maybe the next video. So don't you worry. Today we're gonna be making Gudetama x Rudolph paper squishy. Pretty exciting, so let's just get started. So now I'm just drawing the Gudetama's body, which really resembles the oval shape, and I think I did a pretty good job drawing it. So now I am drawing the legs, which it's very like thin and nice, and I'm just drawing two small oval shapes for the eyes. Originally, I thought of making this common version of Gudetama. After searching online, like looking up pictures of Gudetama online, I saw this very cute version of Gudetama in Rudolph costume, so I thought, why not make a different version? So I did that.
Cute. Should I make this? I think I'm gonna make this.
And so I changed up the nose and I added some antlers to the Gudetama and some ears, so it basically looks like Rudolph and Gudetama together. So this is just a rough draft. I'm gonna be redrawing every single thing on another piece of paper. And outlining it with marker pen. Now I'm just coloring in the designs. I'm using black for the eyes and red for the nose, of course. I use brown and yellow ochre to color in the antlers and the ears. To color in the Gudetama's body, I use this orange-yellow color. For the back side, I just decided to trace out the front design and outer a little bit. Color in the designs with the color that I used before. Now I'm just cutting out the designs. So I make it very precise by using scissors and X-Acto knife at the same time.
Now I'm walking to a nice room, bitch. I am so ghost.
Just like what you would do to other paper squishies, you need to protect the front and the back side of the paper. So I'm doing that by using tape. For the back side, you just cut out all the excess. As for the front side, you need to leave about 2 to 3 centimeters of tape around the edges, just for the tape to be able to fold over and stick to the back side of the paper. Cut some slits in the tape so that it can fold over different areas of the paper. Just for the process to be more precise, I use an X-Acto knife to fold the tape over, and you will see why it makes such a difference when you do it by yourself. I'm just stuffing in some sponge. You can use other materials as well, anything that's soft. So that's the finished product. I think it turned out pretty cute because of the drawing itself. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe right below if you haven't already. Bye.